Front door. That's a
And we will have a fan. We're just, we have to repair the motor. That's why that.
oh, okay. It's a fan.
But yeah, so we made this our dining room. We made that our family room. Wood pellet fireplace. Pet with pig. Is this pet with pig?
No, it's Piggy's house.
Oh, it's Piggy's house. Could you work your mouth a little bit better?
I can't stop.
You should stop.
I can't.
Oh yeah, sorry, watch your step.
You want to be in the video?
Say hi! Say hi, Lori. I'm Sherry. I hope you like our house.
He's going, no, I don't want to do that.